never thought that a girl could love a man.
Snowman. Please lost your head.
I am overwhelmed and baby, I just can't thank you enough. And I'm wondering, oh sweet darling, now tell me, what did I do to deserve you? What did I say to make your angel eyes turn my way? If only I had the world, I'd give it all to you, babe. Now I'm about to leave for the road.
Hi, Talia.
I'll take you with me in my heart, and I really pray the Lord my soul to keep. And maybe just one request, keep me in your need.
Arlington is trying to be the biggest snowman.
And I'm wondering, oh, sweet darling, please tell me, what did I do to deserve you? What did I say to make your angel eyes turn my way? What did I do, baby? If only I had the world, I'd give it all to you, babe. And I'm wondering, oh, sweet darling, what did I do? What did I do to deserve you? What did I say? What did I say to make your angel eyes turn my way? If only I had the world, I'd give it all to you, babe. Give you everything I got, baby. And I'm wondering, oh, sweet darling, sweet darling, what did I do to deserve you? What did I do to deserve it? What did I say to make your angel eyes turn my way? If only I had the world, I'd give it all to you, babe. Said I'm giving it all to you, babe.
And she's trying to cover up the window. Therefore, I will not be able to film them. And I think she is making a good effort in accomplishing her task. Now we cannot even see. She said, now how is mommy going to see? What? No. She's asking if she wants to clear it off. Which she cannot do because there's some thorny bushes in front of the window. Prince Arlington, to see what damage has been done. And trying to put Frosty together. And Frosty is not complete without an OU hat. And Arlington decides to donate his gloves to Frosty.